Alright, y'all. Y'all know real rap. You know, we're not sitting in the basement giving you a bunch of sitting in the studio. You know, telling you what to do, but never giving it to you real time. You know, I'm all about that real time. So you know, you see where we at right now. Yeah, I mean, so y'all can see. So basically, it's a lot that I want to build on, but I'm gonna save all of that for different videos, like break it up between different videos. But the purpose of this video right now is I just want y'all to see, like, there's no lying, there's no mystery. Like, this is what we do. You know what I mean? I'm not telling you like, yo, this is what we do, and then we not going out and doing it. I'm just giving you a bunch of strategy tips in the basement. Like, nah, we really in here getting it in. But you gonna see in a little bit exactly what's popping. Because as you can see, I'm going to the cave after busting a little grub and bringing some grub home. That's all about manipulating the comps, making sure you get what you're supposed to get. I need y'all, you know, all my regular followers, y'all know I buy in with $100. Sometimes two, but for the most part, 100. So, yeah, I'm just waiting for my shot, and y'all see what's going on. But really, everything is about basic practice, basically getting your shit together, stuff like that. How you doing, man? All right. I gotta try to fish them out my pocket. You know, and you gotta stash. You know, and you gotta stash them to run away with them. I'm sorry. All right, that's literally everything. Yeah, so you know, we just really just gotta find more ways to uh, prove to y'all, because I want y'all to understand, like, we not making this up. There's no, like, the casino doesn't leave it up to luck for them to win your money. They use mathematics. I be trying to show y'all the same thing. Use the mathematics to win. Even if you don't win, to break even. You know what I mean? Until you win. Like, it's different strategies, different betting tips. $567. Oh, thank you. That's a nice way from $100, right? Time to pay some bills and take it in. Ma'am, I'm sorry. I supposed to ask you, may I please have 4 ones and 4 quarters, please. Yeah, y'all. So, you know, $100 buy-in, 5 and change. Y'all see what it is. We're not making it up. Ain't no mystery. I'm not telling you, oh, you know, try to. This is what you should do. This is what you should be doing, and then I'm not doing none of that. Like, you know what I mean? I'm literally showing you, like, this is what you should be doing. This is how you should be doing it. And I'm not charging you like the other ones, you know, with the $3,000 weekends, or you know what I'm saying, the $600 DVDs. You know what I mean? Like, yo, wow with that, man. Like, look, all you gotta do is go to my Instagram, click the link in the bio, man. It's $4. $4, you can learn how to do it, man. Do your thing. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Oh, I'm going home. I'm all right. I'm getting out of here. Thank you so much. So yeah, you know what I mean? Y'all see it. 5 and change. Yeah, I mean $100 buy-in. So that mean I literally made about 4 and change real quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna slide back to the lab, bust a grub, chill for a minute, blow an L or two, and you know, get some more practice in and prepare for the next day. You know what I'm saying? See, you can't go every day thinking you're gonna hit big, but if you follow the gram, you see this is I just started. What was that? The week before last. So the first week I was coming out, I was hitting them small time. You know, little 60 here, 70 here. You know what I mean? I came out of that week a couple hundred. The very next week, you know what I mean? I didn't practice as much. You know what I'm saying? And my shot suffered for it. And I bet on other people. So, you know, I kind of went down throughout that week. You know what I mean? Well, I came out that week down $25 after being up the previous week. You know what I mean? So that was kind of like sucky, but you know, we stayed on our practice, came back out. Here we are once again. So, and now we done hit good. So I'm trying to tell you, it's no luck, no mystery, none of that. You know what I mean? It's all skill. It's all mathematics. So make sure y'all hit the link in the bio. Make sure y'all, you know, enjoy what y'all got going on, man. Enjoy the information we try to put out there for you so you could get it. I'll let y'all another time.